2025 Spring Trends Report with Pioneer Imports and Wholesale. The year of emotional expression. Trends shaping the event, gift, and floral industries. As we peer into the future, it's clear that emotion will continue to be a driving force in business and society. In the coming years, we can expect to see even more innovative ways to leverage emotional connections. From AI-powered personalized experiences to immersive events, the possibilities are endless. Of course, emotional connection is nothing new for event floral and gift designers. Whether hosting a special event, giving a gift, or decorating with flowers, the underlying reason is to express emotion. More than just providers of services and products, event designers, gift givers, and florists create beautifully decorated venues, thoughtfully chosen gifts, or stunning floral arrangements that convey a precise emotion. Today and for the foreseeable future, professionals are tasked with elevating experiences beyond physical beauty to their emotional and mental impact. Consumers want to be captivated, whether it's a once-in-a-lifetime event or their morning stop at the kitchen coffee pot. Businesses that embrace this trend will be well-positioned to thrive in the years to come. By understanding and responding to the emotional needs of their customers, they can build stronger relationships and foster greater loyalty. Elements to achieving today's trends. To help you convey the key sentiments most prevalent in the coming year, this trend report outlines how to achieve these feelings using professional tools and tactics. Specifically, this includes trends in shape. The shape, size, and balance of a floral arrangement can significantly influence its emotional impact. An open, asymmetrical design, for instance, can feel as free-spirited as nature itself. Conversely, a closed, round, symmetrical arrangement with its balanced proportions and regular form exudes a more traditional or formal elegance. New neutrals. Color palette trends are vast and varied, but a key influence is the use of new neutrals, whose undertones influence mood and behavior. Neutrals work seamlessly with almost any other flower color without overpowering the arrangement, providing a calming base that essentially acts as a bridge between different color palettes. Some non-traditional neutrals are also on trend. Must-have materials. Certain flowers, plants, containers, or other elements can evoke the desired emotion. By examining these three areas, you'll understand how to achieve the trend of emotional expression. Get ready to convey peace, hope, and fun. Peace, daytime. For those who want to feel reconnected with nature and soothed by its glow, our innate connection with nature is here to stay. Greens make any space feel special and are expected by today's consumers to soften the architecture. Trends in shape. Grounded installations. Designs connected to the earth or that create a pathway. Natural cascades. Not your 80s bouquet. Tendrils and vines that actually drape naturally. Cake meadows. A cake surrounded by a garden of flowers and decorative touches. Faux flowers are the key to keeping scents from clashing with cake flavors, avoiding wilting flowers, and reducing laborious setup when you have no control over the baker's arrival. New neutrals. Green, in all its definitions, color, material, and sustainable, is central to cultivating a feeling of peace and calm. Must-have materials. Artificial foliage. Faux foliage is really being embraced because it is a staple supply, and various market research reports reveal 60 to 70% of consumers are now comfortable using artificial foliage in their homes and businesses due to many factors, including aesthetic appeal. Orchid sprays for natural cascades. Garlands to carve the path and make a wandering aisle or add curve to straight lines of tables and walls. Peace continues at night. For those who want to feel awe and wonder, common in evening events and darker interiors. Balance the dramatic impact of nature and its tranquility with carefully chosen materials, shapes, and colors. Trends in shape. Larger scale natural elements give luxe feel. Minimalist, nature-inspired shapes focus on a few standout flowers rather than crowded mixed bouquets. New neutrals, navy. Must-have materials, anemones, monofloral choices, dip dyes, deep ombres, transitional effects, organic and simple greens. Hope, for the person who wants to feel cozy and positive. Trends in shape. Straight lines are gone. From aisles to tables to doorways, arches now hug you and connect you. Curved shapes create a sense of comfort, safety, and naturalness. In fact, curves can reduce stress and promote relaxation by easing our brain's threat response. They also mimic organic forms found in nature, such as hills, rivers, and plants, further evoking feelings of calm. New neutrals. Pink can be considered a neutral color, particularly lighter shades like blush or powder pink, because it is soft, versatile, and can easily blend with a variety of other colors without creating a strong contrast, similar to how traditional neutrals like white, beige, or gray function. Must-have materials, light woods, natural materials, and pale pastels. Fun! For those who want to feel lively and vivacious, floral materials deliver positivity in the quest for joy. Fun seekers escape through technology, exotic vacations, and magical elements, giving themselves a break from the conventional and often stressful emotions of everyday life. Trends in shape. Modern round forms that deliver depth and pack a punch. Fan shapes that pop like fireworks. New neutrals. Clear glass bottles and bowls create a feeling of buoyant bubbles all around. Clear orbs feel ethereal, embracing a spirit of joy with a sense of lightness. Clear glass has the ability to showcase other elements just as good as neutrals do. Must-have materials. Tropical or exotic flowers, fruits, vegetables, and herbs. A modern full-spectrum palette of soak flowers with similar intensity brings a consistent level of vibrancy, regardless of their varying hues. Primary color flowers. This year you'll have either red, yellow, or blue in the palette.